Thank you for coming back to the channel. We got a problem with the antique KW. You probably can hear it. Can't really see the smoke right now, but we're going to do what's called a cutout test on it. Okay, you just seen how bad it's smoking. Now we're going to do the test with the handheld computer. Do you wish to run a new test? Yes. Hit new test, enter. Select RPM setting. Idle 1000. Sounds good to me. Auto. And we're going to do the test. Even after we find out what's actually wrong or have a good idea if it is an injector, we don't have the money to go ahead and fix this thing, because if it's an injector, I'd want to take the injectors out, take them somewhere, get them tested to be positive it is the injectors. Number one, we don't have the money to do that. Number two, we don't have the money to buy new injectors anyways if it is an injector. When we tear it apart, it's going to be more of a fact-finding mission to see if maybe a rollers broke, the cam broke, or something else, because I'm thinking it's up there on the top end. Anyways, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that bell button, thumbs up, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I'll go ahead, when I start tearing this apart, I'll go ahead and videotape tearing it apart and show you what I do find. Once I tear it apart, that's about all further I'm going to be able to go. Thank you, and come on back.